Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Bell, and today this is the video that you guys have been waiting for. You've been asking me how I healed my hair, how I got it thick again, how I've gotten it this long. Today I'm spilling the tea. I'm sharing with you guys exactly what I've been doing to get my hair from this to this. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's jump on into the video. If you have been a follower, a subscriber of mine for a long time, then you know the journey my hair has been on. I've gone from massive hair loss to finally conquering that with a specific device that I absolutely love, to then breaking all of my hair off because of protein overload and bleach damage, literally having to start fresh again. And I have finally gotten my hair to a very healthy, beautiful state. Today I'm breaking down a couple of the things that I do literally on a daily basis that I believe has truly gotten my hair to this state. So let's start with number one. This is the newest thing that I have added to my hair health hair regimen. This is the advanced hair growth formula from iRestore. You guys know I've done many videos on iRestore on my channel. You can go back and look at my hair loss journey, my hair growth journey. I use the iRestore laser device for years. I'm talking like 5-6 years. My husband uses it. My mom uses it. I love iRestore. They just recently came out with this supplement and I am obsessed. I just started taking this about a month ago, but I feel like I'm already seeing an improvement in my hair. I'm personally a supplement fanatic, so this was super easy for me to just incorporate into my normal supplement routine. I do take this with a meal. You take 4 pills a day. This has an ingredient called Listriva in it, which is clinically proven to improve the hair within 21 days. And that's literally why I started taking it, because I want to grow and improve my hair even more. It also has essential vitamins and minerals that helps aid in the health of your hair. It's vegan, it's non-GMO, and I also love that it has a secondary benefit of helping with the skin and nails. iRestore has just been one of those constant brands that I love and support, and I just know that their stuff works. So I'm so excited to see long-term what this does for my hair. The best way to nourish your hair is to really do it from within. So that's exactly what this does. If you're interested, I'll have it linked in the description below. You can check it out for yourself. She's so good. I do want to remind you of what my hair looked like just a few years ago. She was broken. She had bleach damage. She had protein overload. My hair was see-through in the back. It was rough. And then I had to go on this journey. I had to cut all of my hair off and really start fresh. It did take time, and I had to go through a lot of different phases, but I just want to say that the journey is worth it. Another way that I've been nourishing my hair from within, I talked a little bit about this in one of my previous videos, but is my liquid collagen that I take. I take this on the daily, and it has truly transformed my hair from within. This is the Modere Life. I started taking this initially because I was having joint issues. I was having some knee issues. I was having my shoulder issues, which I've had a couple of surgeries on. So I really needed this to help lubricate my joints. Well, what I didn't know is what it was going to do for my hair. I've been taking this literally every single day for the last two-ish years, and it is so good. This is a little bit on the pricey side, but when I tell you it is worth every single penny, I will not go without this. This has 13 phytonutrient-rich superfoods in it. It has resveratrol in it to help improve joint health, and that also helps with skin and the aging process. And let me tell you, I feel like my skin has never looked better either. It has a powerful hyaluronic acid collagen complex that truly is like a little miracle worker. Helps promote healthy cartilage, healthy connective tissue, and it literally helps reduce the enzyme that causes skin aging. But with all that being said, it also helps with hair growth. I'm telling you, I have seen such a massive difference in the thickness of my hair since taking this. It's been a miracle. This is non-GMO, dairy-free, gluten-free. I take my BioCell Life in the evening, but I also take Trim in the morning, which also has their collagen hyaluronic acid complex in it. So I'm getting a double dose every day. I know it's pricey, but I'm telling you it's worth it. Now that I've covered the 2 things that I do to help improve my hair from the inside out, this is the thing that I do to improve it from the outside in. I use a hair enhancing scalp serum every single night. These are the two that I switch back and forth between. This is the Love Your Curls Healthy Scalp Serum. I'm pretty sure I've talked about this on my channel before. And then also the Grande Hair Enhancing Serum. So essentially you use these at night, you put them on your scalp, and then you massage it into the scalp really, really good, and it helps promote thicker, healthier hair. The Love Your Curls Healthy Scalp Serum actually has basil extract in it, which helps reduce the look of thinning hair. This also has hyaluronic acid. It really helps to moisturize the scalp. I just love this one so much. I believe this is my third bottle of it. And this is a newer one to me, but I have been absolutely loving it. This has peptides, vitamins, botanical extracts, which all combat thinning hair. And I love that it comes in a dropper. Just makes it so easy to just get right in there and just drop it wherever you need to. I'll just go in there with my hands and just massage for just a few minutes to increase the blood flow to my scalp. I also like to use my handy dandy little massage tool. I like to just go in there and massage it in, just work it into the scalp. Also really love the applicator of the Love Your Curls one too. Makes it super easy to get in there and distribute. You can almost see immediately how much thicker my hair looks. As soon as I start to massage it in, it just does something magical. So every night you can catch me doing my healthy hair serum scalp massages. So there you have it. Those are the things that I've been doing on the daily that have truly transformed my hair. I absolutely know from experience that your hair can bring you so much confidence, or it can make you feel so self-conscious. And I have been on both ends of the spectrum, and I'm so happy to be in a place where I can look at my hair and I feel so happy with where it's at. I feel confident again. My hair is long. I'm still on my long curly hair journey. I'm growing it out. I'll leave all of the information for these things in the description box if you want to check them out for yourself. Let me know what your thoughts are on my hair transformation. I know it has been a journey, but I am so thrilled. I really hope this video was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.